later.
Ah! Oh my...
Later.
Ano ba yan?
Support yung mga ganyan.
Yeah.
At talaga dito, 2,000 lang basta yung number nito.
Until 2.
Later that night.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Meanwhile,
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Do you love me? Should I say yes, no? Ano ba? Kasi, yung iniisip ko lang is, anong answer pa hindi ako ma-shock?
Ikaw
Yes.
bahala. Oh, yes, yes daw.
Hindi siya sure, me!
Wala nga, hindi siya
Pag
sure.
kinakabahan to, masya-shock talaga yan.
I should act confident para it cannot stand.
Kinakabahan to rin.
It's a lubog! May kaya lubog!
Tabo ba sa akin?
Do you love Ate Aya daw ba?
Sige ko, tuloy.
Kasi kanina pa sila nagtatanong.
Kasi,
Sasagutin ko no. Tapos tingnan natin kung false or true. Or basta na
Sige
yung
yan.
ko ah.
Oh, sige, go.
Do you love Aya? Ito, para sa mga Mikaya.
Oh, go!
Baliw talaga itong mga to.
Ay!
Hindi daw, Mikaya! Lubog!
Hindi!
Bye, Mikaya!
later that night.
Ano ko?
Ah, sakit. Hindi guys, love ko pa rin coconut
Mahal
guys.
mo ba ako?
Ay!
Hindi. Hindi daw, hindi daw.
Pag yan
Para lang mag ano. Biglang nag-ting.
Ang sakit niya talaga. Na-feel ko siya. Ay! Ay!
Kain na lang tayo, guys. Langgit.
Hoy! Inaabangan ko mag-shock siya. Bakit?
Oh, ito.
Feeling ko kasi hindi ako kinakabahan.
Hindi, mahal ako niya ni Mika. Hinahanap pa ako niyan pag 11 p.m. na yun.
Ako nga 3 a.m. ay hinahanap pa rin ako.
Sige, another
Nag-chat yan sa
question
akin. Are
guys.
you awake? You wanna talk?
Yeah, because sino may problema? Ikaw.
Next question. Gusto ko yung malala. Yung malalang tanong, please.
Oo. Sige
Siya or
daw.
ako?
Question kayo guys.
Siya or ako?
Ay. Ay.
Do you love?
Ano, balik. Basta.
Siya. Siya.
Meanwhile,
Because it's silky smooth. Ayan. Ayan, oh, the stepmother, oh.
No, the stepsister.
Uy! Oh, tayo na. Hello, Evangeline! Yeah.
Kaya po, ganun po matulog si Mika. Kasi everyone ni Mika is sleeping. Yay! Thank you, Kuya. Kuya Brian. Kuya. Yes, that's my boss.
I-edit na naman yan ng vlogs. Mikaya, nag-abutan na. Mag-eye to eye sila for 1 minute. Gusto nyo yun, di ba? Gusto nyo yun, di ba?
Wag. I-edit na naman yung mag-a-assume na naman sila.
Si Stacy. Guys, wala po talaga. Hindi po sila mag-jowa in real life.
mag-jowa in real life.
Did you like her?
Hindi talaga ako mahal ni Mix. Pag may camera, hindi niya ako mahal. Pero pag walang camera, mas sweet kami. Low
I swear when nobody's around.